Guys, you see, if you've never tried anything else I've made, this is the one you should try because it's easy and you can't mess it up and everybody are gonna love it. Trust me. First, you're gonna season the chicken with your favorite seasoning. Sear them on all sides. Remove them from the pot and set them aside. In the same pot, you're gonna saute your vegetable along with some tomato paste. Then you're going to get a can of cream of mushroom soup. Trust the process. Put it in the pan, rinse the pan with some water, and create a nice rich gravy. Return the chicken to the pot, and to that, you're gonna add some spinach, or you can just leave it as it is. You're gonna cover that and add it to the oven on 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Then you uncover it, return it back to the oven for another 25 minutes, and then you're gonna have the perfect chicken. Serve this with mashed potato or white rice. Slap. Perfect every time. Guys, hope you try this one and I'll see you in another video. Bye.